Cars, the spooky sound. Lightning McQueen and Mater like to tell spooky stories. Their friends are scared, but Mater and Lightning are not. Lightning and Mater drive home. Ahoo! They hear a spooky sound. They want to find out what it is. Lightning and Mater drive by Ramon's paint shop. Ahoo! Mater sees a scary shape. Is it a monster? Lightning goes into the shop. He finds paint cans. He tells Mater there is no monster. They drive by Doc's shop. It is open late. Ahoo! The sound is louder. They see sparks and flames. Is it a fire monster? Mater is scared, but there is no fire monster. Doc is fixing Sarge. The cars drive to Casa de la Tires. Ahoo! The sound is closer. Mater sees a creepy shape. Is it a monster with two heads? Lightning finds tall piles of tires. Luigi and Guido are having a sale. Mater and Lightning drive into the desert. Ahoo! Mater sees a light in the sky. Is it a monster that glows? Lightning spots Aloud. He is taking a night flight. Lightning and Mater keep driving. Ahoo! The sound is right behind them. Mater is really scared. Lightning wants to find the sound. He turns around very slowly. The spooky sound is not a monster. It does not have fire. It does not have two heads. It does not glow. It is Sheriff. He is driving in his sleep. Lightning and Mater laugh and laugh. They are not afraid. But then they see two glowing eyes. Oh no! What is it? They do not want to find out.